video one on Monday, November 14th, 2022. We're at California and Bay Street. It looks like has some kind of a rail thing here. Looks like they're running that on the track. Let's go take a look at it. Otherwise, we've been busy picking up all day to recycle. So let's see what this looks like right here. I think this came in last Thursday down at the yard. Yeah, that's on the tracks. That's on the tracks. Pretty interesting. Huh. Very interesting. They got their own work train out here. Time's 3:45. Go take more look at this. That's unhooked. They unhooked that. I don't know what this is used for, Mr. Wade, but I think they're digging it out because they're now doing the retaining wall. I can see them chop the sides up here. I think they're now starting the retaining wall. Okay, end of video one. I guess there's only one video today. Good to hear from you today, Wade. Monday, November 14th, 2022. Just drive on out and look at this rail work train here. Pretty interesting. Yesterday I used the mountain bike. Today we're back on the recumbent. Looks like they started digging that stuff up. Okay, end of video one. 4:47 p.m.